Good afternoon. This is another edition of Aviation Insight. My name is Abidin. Today's episode is going to be an interesting one. We're going to be talking about some of the facts people do not know about the aircraft aviation industry. First of all, do you know that the pressurization of an aircraft make it impossible for people and items to get sucked out during flight? Pressurization is the addition of oxygen. That's the more reason why the higher you go, the lesser the oxygen level. That's the more reason why aeroplanes are being pressurized, so to reduce to allow the aircraft to be able to fly at very high altitude. Did you know that the Boeing 747, it can occupy 60,000 gallons of jet fuel? That weighs about 400,000 pounds. Did you know that the radar of an aircraft cannot detect turbulence? What's the radar? Radar is a sensor that actually detects an object or an obstacle in front of you. And what's turbulence? Turbulence is a disturbance in the air. There was an experience that I had. That's why turbulence can actually occur in good or bad weather. The weather can be clear, turbulence can still occur. So there was an experience I had from Lagos to Abuja. Turbulence actually occurred, a very slight turbulence, but the weather was clear. So that's just to tell you that turbulence can actually occur in either of the weathers. Do you know that Airbus 380 is the largest passenger airplane? It's worth about $5 billion. Wow. Do you know that the revenue of aviation industry for the past 15 years, from 2013 to 2018, has risen from 322 billion to 834 billion? Wow. Do you know that the pioneers of the commercial flight pioneers actually happened in World War II? Because after the World War II, pilots were actually stranded, so airlines and aviation industry actually absorbed most of all these pilots. Do you know that pilots in aviation industry actually only paid for the time they do spend in the air, but they're not paid for times for delayed flight and the rest of all? And do you know that one of the greatest threats to aeroplanes are mercuries? Mercuries, they actually damage aluminium, and most aeroplanes are made up of aluminium composite materials, and aluminium is part of what it's made up of. That's the more reason why it's banned for aeroplanes to actually take in mercury during flight. Did you know that the Federal Aviation Authority, that's the FAA, they've made a law that aeroplanes, if people in the aeroplane should be evacuated in less than 90 seconds rather, because that's the time it takes for fire to engulf in an aeroplane. And do you know that the bomber technology is the latest in the aviation industry? One of the recent development by NASA is the Helios. It's an aircraft that's powered by solar, engined by the US government. That's just to tell you that it's an unmanned aerial vehicle. So we've gotten to the time where everything is being automated, and an unmanned aerial vehicle can actually be used in bad weather, can actually be used in terrain environments where the environment is dangerous. It might be difficult for people to actually fly to some of those places. Just drones are actually being replaced by humans. That's to tell you that the aviation industry is actually developing. So our next video will tell you more about the facts, some of those things people do not know about the aviation industry. I want you guys to subscribe, like my channel, and thank you for watching.